LG G4 teardown.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur.
To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, small Phillips screwdriver, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, power down your LG G4 smartphone. Use the plastic triangle opening tool, or your fingernails, to work around the rear cover and release the plastic clips securing it in place.
Easily remove the LG G4's 3.85 volt, 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery.
Remove the following 11 Phillips screws, securing the midframe in place. Use the triangle opening tool to assist in removing the LG G4 midframe. Carefully separate the loudspeaker assembly from the midframe. No tools necessary. Use the nylon spudger to detach the display assembly cable, followed by the rear-facing and front-facing camera cables that are holding the motherboard in place. Once the cables are detached, use the nylon spudger to pry up the motherboard and remove it from the LG G4.
Remove the 8-megapixel LG G4 front-facing selfie camera. Remove the 16-megapixel LG G4 rear-facing camera.
With the fine-tip curved tweezers, remove the spring contact applied vibrator. Utilizing the fine-tip curved tweezers, remove the earpiece speaker. Use the nylon spudger to carefully remove the headphone jack from the chassis.
All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.